Every planet owes its life to the distance from its star. Earth, perfectly balanced in the sun's Goldilocks zone, thrives because it's neither too hot nor too cold for liquid water to exist. But this delicate balance isn't permanent. If over millions, or even thousands of years, Earth were to drift slightly outward from its orbit, the results would be catastrophic. A minor shift in cosmic distance could mean the difference between vibrant life and eternal frost. This is the haunting scenario of what might happen if Earth slowly slipped out of the habitable zone. The first signs of this cosmic drift would be almost unnoticeable. Winters would grow harsher, summers shorter, and global temperatures would fall a few degrees each century. Farmers would struggle as growing seasons shrink, and ecosystems would collapse under the weight of environmental instability. Scientists would notice changes in solar radiation and orbital distance, but humanity might underestimate the threat, treating it like another phase of climate change rather than the slow death of the planet's warmth. As Earth continued to drift outward, the cooling would accelerate. Oceans would begin freezing at the poles, spreading vast white plains of ice toward the equator. The reflective surface of ice would bounce sunlight back into space, creating a deadly feedback loop known as runaway glaciation. The atmosphere would thicken with carbon dioxide ice, suffocating plant life and animals alike. Cities would become ghostly ruins buried under snow, while the last remnants of civilization would flee underground or to artificial colonies shielded from the cold. Humanity's survival would depend on innovation and resilience. Advanced societies might create artificial sunlight through fusion reactors or launch orbiting mirrors to focus solar rays onto key regions of the planet. Others might migrate deep underground, using geothermal energy as the last source of heat. Life would adapt, not to thrive, but to endure. Beneath frozen oceans, extremophiles and bacteria could continue to survive in thermal vents, proving that even in cosmic exile, life refuses to yield entirely. In time, Earth would transform into a pale, icy world, orbiting far from the warmth that once nurtured it. The sun, now a faint golden spark, would illuminate a frozen planet locked in eternal twilight. Humanity, if it survives, would become a species defined by memory, clinging to digital relics of blue skies, forests, and oceans. Earth would stand as a frozen monument to the fragility of balance in the cosmos, a reminder that even the smallest celestial shift can end an entire world's story. This hypothetical drift serves as a powerful reminder. Our planet's survival depends on an extraordinary balance that can be undone by the slightest cosmic change. Earth exists in a rare, delicate harmony, a cosmic sweet spot that has sustained life for billions of years. If that harmony were ever broken, no amount of technology or ingenuity could fully restore it. In the grand scale of the universe, even our thriving blue planet hangs by a thread of sunlight.